Hello, everybody. My name is Bryson Gregg. I go to the Citadel, which is a military college in South Carolina. Today, I'm going to be reading one of my favorite books from whenever I was younger. It's called Brown. I'm sure you've probably read it before. It's called Brown Bear, Brown Bear, What Do You See? By Bill Martin Jr. and illustrated by Eric Carle. Brown bear, what do you see? I see a big red bird looking at me. Red bird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me. I've never seen a purple cat before. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. White dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me. Black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. Goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me. Teacher, what do you see? I see children looking at me. Children, what do you see? We see a brown bear, a red bird, a yellow duck, a blue horse, a green frog, a purple cat, a white dog, a black sheep, a goldfish, and a teacher looking at us. That's what we see. So that was Brown Bear, What Do You See? That was one of my favorite books from whenever I was younger. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much. I hope you're doing well with COVID. Stay safe. Merry Christmas.